Okay, guys, we're back. As I said before, I thought it'd be better just to wait till I got close to Rochester. So, be the exit coming up here, and then you get to see some of Rochester. Fortunately, it's raining now, and I'm sure that'll screw it up a little bit. Traffic through Kokomo is a freaking nightmare as usual. I've never been through a city that has more dang traffic lights. And they're terribly timed, especially for a truck. You know, light turns green. First of all, everybody takes their damn time getting going. A couple of lights in there, you know, I was probably, I don't know, 30 yards back from the light, and I literally didn't even get to the light before it changed again, because people take so long to get going. You know, you're in a car. Freaking move. You don't need to putt from one traffic light to the other. If you'd hurry up, a lot of times you'll make the next traffic light too. But anyway, missed a bunch of traffic lights, and then even when you do make the damn light that you're sitting at, a lot of times you inevitably miss the next light. So it's, you know, speed up, slow down, and they don't have it timed very well. Come on, people. Jesus Christ. You gotta worry, he's got a turn signal on, but that don't mean he's actually turning. Man, I've been missing gears all damn day today. I don't know what it is. Truck just seems a little slow. Can't get the timing right. It's one of the things I don't like about this truck. Actually, the Volvo I used to drive, sort of the same way. The engine's like inconsistent. I think it's all the freaking emissions and shit on it. I don't know, but you know, sometimes this truck, you can rev it up to 2,000 or a little over 2,000 revs. It'll rev smoothly up to 2,000. You shift, do it again, and in the next gear you'll hit it, and it won't turn over 1,700 RPM. It's really weird. The old Schneider National truck that I had was very consistent. I mean, it would rev to a certain point, and then it would stop. And this one, it's like sometimes it revs, sometimes it doesn't, and I haven't figured out why. So there, 2,000 revs, 2,000 revs, 2,000 revs, 6th gear, doesn't want to rev, 7th gear, doesn't really want to rev. Sometimes it will though, I don't know. Seems like if you were trying to protect the drive line, you would let it not rev on the low side of the transmission where, you know, oh, look at this jerk. And if I wasn't, there we go. I don't know what the fuck is going on today, but see all the fucking sand? It's from the winter time. And then, actually, with the winter time, was part of it. They were sanding up here. And then, see all the tar stripes where they put the tar sealant? They were putting the tar down and then covering it with sand afterwards. Thinking they went a little gung-ho here. This freaking looks like the beach. To the left and right. Now, when I went through that scale, I forgot to tell you guys, I ended up grossing out at 78,000 and change. she's heavy. That could be why I'm missing the gears too. These loads never weigh exactly the same. Sometimes there's 49,000 in the trailer, sometimes there's 51,000. My wife called me and said we might meet in Indianapolis on the way back. Here's a cool place, Triad Cycles, 513. I'm sorry, I missed the fucking phone number. Anyway, they have scooters and shit over in there. A lot of people riding scooters around this town. But my wife and I might meet a little north of Indianapolis and run over to, I think it's, shit, I can't remember the name of the town. Anyway, it's Bub's Burgers and Milkshakes. It's on the north side of Indianapolis. There's one in Bloomington, Indiana as well. I have to go wide here. Yeah, buddy, you need to stop. What I love is when you have to do something like that, and the jack off in the car just keeps pulling on up to the light. It's like, do you not see the rig in the middle of the freaking street? Of course, the answer is no, he doesn't. I'm going to shut the video off before I get into Rochester here, and once again I need to slow down. Sometimes you can cut through this here and get over there, but I don't really like doing that because it's really rough. And once again, there's always a fucking car coming. That's why people cut through there. I have no idea why at an intersection that has nothing but truck traffic. Alright, little doggy. Gotta watch him in the mirror there, make sure he don't come underneath my truck. Look like a little black chihuahua like my wife's. Oh yeah, forgot to tell you, if we're gonna Bub's Burgers and Milkshakes in, I want to say Auburn at Indiana, but that's not right. Carmel, that's it. It's in Carmel, Indiana, a little north of Indianapolis. And anyway, guys, I gotta go. See ya.